The ordering process was great. He asked for what colours I might like and what sort of trim level I might like.
The hardest thing is choosing the car. Once that's done, it's all done for you. It's completely, brilliantly hassle-free.
Going to get my car, a Motability, is a lot easier than, in my experience, than buying a car. You've got to find out your insurance, your warranty, but going in there, they've got the forms ready for you.
We do everything online for you, from choosing the vehicle, processing the application, and then the insurance, which also is included within that as well, is also applied for at the time.
Your tax is done. It's just a lot less hassle, a lot less worry.
Really easy to sign up, really easy to get my car. They just dealt with it and done it all and just let me know what was going on each step of the way.
Once Motability have approved your application, they will send you a pack through. That book contains your terms and agreement booklet and also a PIN number, something for you to just keep hold of and bring with you on the day that you actually come in to collect your new vehicle.
The day I picked it up was great, you know, it's all really there, sparkling, and it was just a stress-free transaction because you take your old car that you've had to the dealership where you're getting your new car from.
It was the most amazing feeling ever to know that I was in my car and that was it, that's my car, I can go wherever I want to, and yeah, it's the best day ever.